Meal prepping can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm excited to share some easy and delicious healthy meal prep ideas that are perfect for beginners. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about grains. Quinoa is a fantastic choice. It's packed with protein and fiber, making it a filling base for any meal. Cooking a big batch at the start of the week is super simple. Just rinse it, boil it in water for about 15 minutes, and you're done. You can use it in salads, bowls, or even as a side dish. Next, let's move on to veggies. Roasting a mix of your favorite vegetables is a game changer. Think bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli. Toss them in olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and roast them at 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. Not only do they taste amazing, but they also keep well in the fridge. You can throw them into wraps, stir fries, or enjoy them as a side. Now, let's talk protein. Grilled chicken is a classic, but it doesn't have to be boring. Marinate your chicken in lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs for a few hours before grilling. This adds so much flavor. Cook a few pieces at once, and you can use them throughout the week in salads, sandwiches, or grain bowls. If you're looking for a vegetarian option, consider chickpeas. They're versatile and can be used in so many ways. You can roast them with spices for a crunchy snack, toss them in salads, or blend them into a creamy hummus. Just rinse and drain a can, and you're ready to go. Don't forget about breakfast. Overnight oats are a lifesaver. Just combine rolled oats with your choice of milk or yogurt. Add some chia seeds and top it with fruits or nuts. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll have a quick, nutritious breakfast ready to grab in the morning. Now, let's talk about storage. Invest in some good quality glass containers. They're not only better for the environment, but they also keep your food fresh and make it easy to see what you have. Labeling your containers with dates can help you keep track of what needs to be eaten first. Finally, here's a little tip to keep you motivated. Meal prepping doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about making your life easier and healthier. Start small, maybe with just 1 or 2 meals a week, and build from there. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that meal prepping can save you up to $1,500 a year? That's right. By planning your meals, you can cut down on impulse buys and food waste. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, subscribe for more and let me know in the comments what your favorite meal prep ideas are.